Now let's talk about the types of managers in principles of management. First is the top level managers. It includes job titles such as Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Financial Officer. They are responsible for the overall direction and strategy of the organization. They focus on long-term planning and consider the welfare of the external stakeholders such as investors, board directors, and government regulators. Second is the middle-level managers. This includes department managers, division heads, and regional managers. They act as mediator between the top-level management and first-line employees. They are responsible for creating action plans for their department and units. Third is the first-line manager. This includes team leaders, supervisors, and foremen. They are responsible for assigning and monitoring tasks for frontline employees. They also do training, coaching, and performance evaluation of these employees. Fourth is the functional manager. They are responsible in managing departments such as finance, marketing, and human resource. They coordinate activities within their departments and also coordinate with other departments to achieve organizational goals. Fifth is the project manager. They are in charge of managing projects in the organization. They do planning, organizing, implementing, and monitoring of project activities in line with the scope, budget, and timeline. Moreover, there are line managers who are directly managing the line of production to achieve organizational goals, and the staff manager who are responsible to support line managers for functions such as HR, finance, and marketing. Thank you and happy learning!